Merry Christmas, everybody. Hope everybody had a great Christmas. And today is 26th. This is Boxing Day, so I think US markets are open, Canadian markets are closed. But let's review S&P 500. So I think most likely you can see this trend line. This is a daily chart of S&P 500. If I draw a trend line from here, which was March 13th, bottom to here, August 17 to August 25. And look where we are right now. We're going right there, touching that bottom line. All right. So this could act as a resistance. Sure, it's up around 0.25% pre-market. It can still go higher. To backtest this around 1% higher. All right, 1 or 2% higher. That would be around let's say 50, 60, 70 points. So it can still like go here and then maybe try to top out there. All right. I am expecting a big correction. I would say 3 to 5%, maybe not big, but you can see this rally. Sorry, guys, I'm not feeling too well, but you can see this rally expecting a pullback, all right? And most likely that pullback will happen in January. You can see like this, all right? So this pullback can take S&P 500 easily from here to like, maybe it can come all the way right. Actually, I think it's going to come all the way right to fill this gap. That would make more sense. Around 455, there's a big gap. If you go to daily chart, actually there's a small gap, but this is the area, 400, 4500, all right? So that's what I'm expecting long term. Basically, backtest this trend line, go from here, trend line, come back to this area, and then go higher. All right. So this is the correction I'm looking for in January. Okay. So if you have these profits, look to take profits maybe next couple of days until New Year, 27, 28, 30, 29. We can still have the pump to maybe it's S&P 500 can go another 500 or 100 points, and then I think that's about it. Nasdaq 100, if you draw the same trend line like this, still has a little bit more higher room to go. So Nasdaq is a bit stronger, so Nasdaq can still go 3% higher, quite possible. But then again, looking for this correction in January, even on Nasdaq, so maybe it's going to top out and then come back, fill some of these gaps, and then it will go higher. All right. Okay, guys. So that's what I was thinking long term. But let's quickly look at levels for today. Uh, So green lines are sell lines. Sorry, green lines are buy lines. Red lines are sell lines. This is live future US 500. You can see it's coming in the middle now, which is a neutral line. And sorry guys, and Nasdaq 100 also is near the neutral line. Uh, if I go to ES chart, E-mini futures, a lot of people trade that. This is a bit delayed here. This is a free version, but you can see levels are 48.19 and up. Look to sell. 47.89 and below, look to buy. I still expect around 100 points on S&P 500. So from here we can easily go 49, easily go above all these by the end of this year, around 4,900. Okay, just be mindful of that. So trade accordingly. But this is just for day trading. Nasdaq 100, just 100 coming into neutral zone. If I go to E-mini futures, not E-mini Nasdaq futures, same thing between neutral line and sell line. So just hovering near sell line, right? Neutral line and sell line is around 17,048. Dow Jones is near neutral line, nothing to do here. Russell 2000 is near sell line. Wow, okay, Russell is pumping pre-market. So Russell is a better shot than all of the indices right now. Crude oil pumping in the sell zone. So you can see crude oil minus. Actually, if I go to daily chart on crude oil, you can see still a lot of room to go. So I'm looking for crude oil to pump to this resistance around 80, 81. So from where we are, it can still go higher around 7, 8%. All right. So that's going to be my next target. You can see nicely made a double bottom, not a double bottom, divergence bottom. You cannot see RSI is not here, but you can see it's pumping now. Okay. This area became support, stayed here a couple of days. Now it's getting ready for a pump. All right. So again, going back to small time frame, look to take profits here. CNQ oil miners, Canadian biggest Canadian oil mine looking to take profit around 66.36. If I go to daily chart, let me hide this. And then our next target is here, 67.84. Go to 1 hour chart. There's a big gap here. Okay, so this gap will fill, and that's my profit taking. And from here, it can go 3% higher. If it goes there to fill that gap, that's going to be the best trade for this year for me. All right, gold. Gold near touched near sell zone and now coming down to buy zone here. Not buy zone, sorry, neutral zone, so no trade zone. Silver near no trade zone. Natural gas was down almost 5%, but it's in the green buy zone right now. It's going higher. So yeah, if it comes back below 2.37 and below, look to buy again. Dollar index near neutral zone. Bitcoin dump from nowhere. That's what Bitcoin does. Dumped here at 26 December, 1 a.m. Dump again. Dump here near buy zone, 4:47 a.m. Now bouncing. So whoever bought here below all three support levels is the best opportunity to buy. Still in the buy zone, looking for a pump from here. Ethereum is a bit stronger, but again, Ethereum also did same. Crypto is gonna do whatever Bitcoin does. So again, it's near buy zone and pumping from here. Ethereum 2243 is the buy zone. Bitcoin 42,840 and below is the buy zone. Hang Seng Index China near neutral zone. Commodities. Copper near neutral zone. Palladium going near buy zone. Soybeans going towards buy zone. Wheat in the neutral zone. Corn going towards buy zone. Sugar going towards buy zone. Stock wise, Apple, nice. Apple is near buy zone, guys. If you have a favorite Apple, it's near buy zone, just touching buy zone. 193.34, it's in the buy zone. Tesla neutral zone, sorry. Snowflakes near buy zone. What else is here? Let's look at Nike, UPS near buy zone. Nike here, you can see in the buy zone here. See, it's near buy zone. So should be looking to buy Nike here. What else is here? Anything interesting? Nothing interesting pre-market other than that. All right, so let's go back to the levels. US 500 near neutral zone, US 100 near neutral zone. So remember, I'm expecting another 100 points pump on S&P 500. So be very careful shorting when you're in this range. If you're shorting, look to take profits right away. Okay, do not hold your shorts for a long time. All right. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Let's see if anybody has any questions. No questions. Then I'm going to stop. Thank you. Bye.